The 5 ways in which you can spend your weekends in an effective way are: number one, by reading a book or a magazine or any of the content on number YouTube. Two, by gardening. Number three, by cooking or baking. You can cook the favorite food or any of the new dishes you can try, the ones that you have been saving on the Instagram or the YouTube channels. Then number three is by watching a series or movies. You can watch your favorite movies or the new one also that have been pending from so many days. Then number five is by organizing or cleaning your space. You can properly organize the things, arrange the things in your room, or you can put the things that were in the old place into some new places. You can try that way.